Welcome to the world of elegance and extravagance, where bold colors meet timeless luxury. Today, we tour a mansion that blends fiery red and royal sapphire blue into architectural perfection. The moment you lay eyes on this mansion, you're greeted with grand facade painted in a soft sapphire tone, perfectly contrasted by deep crimson accents around the columns and arched windows. The dual color palette isn't just eye-catching. It sets a bold, regal tone from the very first glance. Wide marble steps lead to an ornate redwood door, while sapphire LED lighting lines the driveway, adding a glowing elegance after sunset. Sleek landscaping on either side of the entrance frames the house like a perfect picture. The mansion's multi-level structure is tastefully balanced, exuding symmetry and style. Floor-to-ceiling windows reflect the sky, while giving a sneak peek into the lavish interiors. It's not just a house, it's a red and blue masterpiece. At night, the mansion transforms into a glowing sculpture. Subtle red uplights highlight the curves and edges, while sapphire hues drape the balconies in an ethereal glow. The combination evokes both power and serenity, an architectural yin and yang. Custom ironwork on the balconies shines under lighting, hinting at the level of detail inside. This front view commands presence, speaks confidence, and offers an invitation to luxury like no other. The sharp contrast between stone textures and glossy surfaces adds a dynamic aesthetic. Even the manicured trees outside are lit in alternating colors for dramatic flair. This is an entrance that doesn't whisper, it roars luxury. Moving to the rear, the mansion unfolds into a stunning open layout, with giant glass walls revealing the lavish interior beyond. The architecture opens up with flowing terraces, all tinted with sapphire blue railings and crimson lounge areas. The upper deck offers a seamless view of the landscape, with heated floors and fire pits matching the red and blue palette. Every inch of the design ensures indoor-outdoor living is uninterrupted. Curved staircases hug the exterior walls, allowing access to the pool and garden from every level. The back view offers tranquility with flair, a signature look of designer precision. Each detail is placed to impress, from wall-mounted water features to the color-synced LED strips. Glass railings ensure you never lose sight of views, and the red mosaic trim subtly runs around the windows. Sapphire awnings provide shade while adding contrast to the crisp white stone. The color choices here aren't just for looks. They influence how light and shadow dance across the structure throughout the day. The blend of modern architecture with bold color accents creates a balance of comfort and royalty. With multiple balconies and expansive patio spaces, entertaining guests is more than an option, it's a must. And at sunset, when the lights switch on, the whole mansion looks like a live painting. The backside is where the boldness breathes. The garden is a work of art, where every hedge and flower bed is meticulously placed. Red roses and blue hydrangeas bloom in harmony, creating natural color blocks that reflect the mansion's theme. Marble walkways wind through sapphire-colored ceramic pots, each holding exotic plants from around the world. A crimson gazebo sits at the center, offering a quiet spot for tea or reflection. The symmetry and design makes it more than just a garden. It's a living sculpture. Modern sculptures and bird fountains further elevate the artistic ambience. Underfoot, inlaid stone paths shimmer slightly in daylight, with sapphire dust embedded for a magical glow. Every corner of the garden feels curated. Ambient lights are hidden beneath foliage, casting shadows that move with the breeze. Crimson benches and blue trellises the perimeter, making every walk a luxurious escape. Butterflies and birds seem to favor the space, drawn by the lush surroundings. The scent of fresh blossoms blends with the gentle sound of trickling fountains. Privacy hedges keep the world out while enclosing serenity within. This garden isn't just for show, it's an experience where luxury meets peace. And when the lights come on at night, the garden glows like a dream in sapphire and red. The pool is the crown jewel of this mansion. Lined with sapphire blue tiles, the water reflects light in a way that feels almost surreal. Crimson tiled steps lead into a heated, infinity-edge pool that overlooks the garden and skyline beyond. Underwater lights shift from red to blue, turning each night swim into a show of its own. Sleek lounge chairs with red cushions sit neatly on white stone decking. An outdoor bar with sapphire countertops serves drinks under hanging crimson lanterns. The atmosphere is vibrant, luxurious, and made for unforgettable gatherings. Every design detail here whispers indulgence. There's also a jacuzzi corner surrounded by privacy screens draped in red silk fabric. The pool area includes a custom sound system embedded into the tilework, offering surround sound without any clutter. Sapphire-tinted glass panels act as a safety barrier without blocking the view. The water is treated with mineral infusions, keeping it soft on the skin and crystal clear. Day or night, this pool delivers serenity, sophistication, and spectacle. It invites you to unwind or entertain with style. It's not just a place to swim. It's a statement of elite living. Step into the living room and prepare to be captivated. Massive sapphire blue curtains frame double-height windows, while rich red velvet sofas circle a custom marble fireplace. The walls are paneled in a muted cream, allowing the bold colors to take center stage. Modern art in matching tones lines the walls, bring energy and depth. A sapphire glass chandelier hangs above, catching light like a jewel. Custom rugs with red and blue geometric patterns tie the space together. Every inch of the living room radiates warmth, luxury, and bold personality. The layout promotes both intimacy and grandeur. Built-in shelving features a curated selection of books and sculptures in, you guessed it, red and blue. The high ceilings make the space feel open, while warm lighting makes it feel like home. Crimson accents on side tables, throw pillows, and wall trims show the power of subtle detail. The furniture pieces are not only designer, but ergonomically crafted for comfort. This room is where guests gather, stories are shared, and first impressions become lasting ones. And with soft classical music humming from invisible speakers, it's a sensory masterpiece. The grand entrance is nothing short of theatrical. A double staircase sweeps up in a gentle spiral, carpeted in sapphire blue and lined with crimson balustrades. Golden chandeliers with ruby detailing hang from the triple height ceiling. Polished marble floors shimmer beneath your feet, bordered with intricate red mosaic inlays. Massive mirrors framed in sapphire glass amplify the sense of space and light. A crimson centerpiece sculpture adds drama right in the middle of the foyer. The entire space feels like stepping into a luxury hotel, except it's home. The entrance isn't just designed for beauty, but also function. Climate control, ambient lighting, and automated doors create a seamless welcome. Decorative wall panels change hue based on time of day, shifting between sapphire and ruby tones. Hidden compartments house smart tech for lighting and temperature management. A subtle scent diffuser releases calming aromas into the air. Whether it's your first time or your 100th, this space always leaves a lasting impression. It's a declaration of elegance and confidence. The moment you walk in, you know you've arrived. This kitchen is a blend of style and cutting-edge functionality. The cabinetry is matte sapphire with crimson underglow, and the countertops are a rare imported red marble. Every appliance is top tier, from the dual ovens to the voice-activated induction stove. A center island doubles as a prep and breakfast area, with built-in coolers and storage. Sleek pendant lights hang overhead, shaped like rubies and sapphires. Glass cabinets showcase luxury dishware framed in ambient light. Despite its glamour, the kitchen is designed for real use. Touchless faucets, smart fridge displays, and concealed outlets make cooking intuitive and fast. There's even a hidden pantry behind a crimson panel wall. Every surface is both durable and beautiful, made to withstand daily use while maintaining an elite aesthetic. The entire space is open plan, flowing directly into the dining area. Whether you're making a 5-course meal or a quick coffee, this kitchen makes the moment feel luxurious. It's the heart of the home, and a stylish one at that. The dining hall is pure drama in the best way. A custom 14-seater table sits beneath a sapphire chandelier, its top made from translucent red quartz. Velvet chairs in alternating red and blue line the table, perfectly color-blocked for visual harmony. Walls are dressed in textured sapphire wallpaper, with subtle lighting that gives the space a moody, upscale ambience. Floor-to-ceiling wine racks line one wall, lit from behind to give a glowing effect. Meals here feel like special occasions every single time. There's a sense of ceremony in the space. From the way the light hits your plate to the warmth of the decor, sliding glass doors lead to the outdoor terrace. making it easy to extend your dinner parties under the stars. Rich curtains provide privacy, while golden accents subtly elevate the palette. The design encourages long conversations, good food, and unforgettable evenings. Whether it's an intimate dinner or a grand feast, this dining hall rises to the occasion. The master bedroom is where comfort meets cinematic elegance. A custom king-size bed, upholstered in deep crimson suede, takes center stage against a sapphire-paneled accent wall. Massive windows allow natural light to flood in, with automatic sapphire-tinted curtains offering privacy at a touch. The ceilings are detailed with soft ambient lighting, creating a warm glow that enhances the red and blue tones. A seating area with a plush blue velvet couch overlooks the garden below. Smart controls for lighting, temperature, and entertainment are seamlessly built into sleek panels beside the bed. The color theme carries through every detail, from the lampshades to the stitching on the pillows. A hidden television rises from a crimson footboard chest, while built-in speakers offer immersive sound. The master bedroom also features a private balcony with sapphire-framed glass railings, perfect for morning coffees or evening sunsets. Every inch feels intentional, designed to promote relaxation, intimacy, and style. This is more than a bedroom. It's a sanctuary of elevated living. The walk-in closet is nothing short of a private showroom. Sapphire lacquered shelves stretch from floor to ceiling, holding shoes, suits, and luxury handbags under soft spotlighting. A crimson velvet ottoman sits in the center atop a circular rug, offering a chic place to sit or plan outfits. Full-length mirrors with red LED trims create a boutique experience every time you walk in. Each drawer and hanger rail is organized by type and tone, making daily routines effortless. Every section of the closet is personalized and programmable. Hidden compartments store valuables, and biometric locks keep private collections secure. The materials are top grade, from the Italian leather handles to the custom closet doors with sapphire glass inlays. A scent diffuser ensures the space always smells like fresh linen and luxury perfume. The ceiling is mirrored, adding depth and elegance to the room. Whether dressing up for a gala or winding down after work, this closet makes every wardrobe moment feel first class. The bathroom feels like entering a luxury spa. Walls clad in sapphire-hued marble shimmer beneath recessed lighting, while a crimson accent wall surrounds a freestanding tub that looks like art. Twin vanities topped with red veined quartz sit beneath sapphire-framed mirrors. Chrome fixtures shine like jewelry against a rich color palette. A rainfall shower with color-shifting LED lights offers both comfort and spectacle. Hidden speakers play calming music, while aromatherapy units release gentle floral scents. A private toilet chamber is concealed behind frosted crimson glass for added elegance and discretion. Storage niches are cleverly tucked away to keep essentials handy without disrupting the aesthetic. Smart screens on the mirrors show weather, news, or music settings. Every surface is easy to clean, yet impossibly stylish. Whether you're getting ready for the day or soaking after a long one, this bathroom turns routine into ritual. The home theater is where entertainment becomes immersive luxury. Plush red recliners with sapphire stitching are tiered across the room for perfect sightlines. The walls are lined with acoustic panels in alternating red and blue patterns, ensuring perfect sound insulation. A massive 8K projector screen descends silently from the ceiling, flanked by built-in Dolby Atmos surround speakers. Mood lighting shift between themes, making movie nights an experience, not just a pastime. Advanced controls allow voice-activated commands for everything, from screen size to lighting scenes. Custom starlit ceilings mimic the night sky, creating a galaxy above while you watch your favorite films. Every inch of the space is padded and wrapped in acoustic fabric, ensuring pure, undisturbed sound. The recliners feature massage and heating functions, and even have champagne holders for that extra touch of class. The garage is a collector's paradise, more a showroom than a storage space. Polished concrete floors reflect overhead sapphire LED lighting that highlights each vehicle like a museum exhibit. Crimson accents frame the entryways and tool storage zones, keeping the red and blue theme consistent even here. Temperature control and humidity regulation systems ensure every car is preserved in pristine condition. The space is lined with wall-mounted screens for maintenance tracking and entertainment. Glass partitions separate work zones from the display area, where exotic machines sit proudly under spotlight. This isn't just a garage, it's an automotive gallery. From engine tuning to detailing, every luxury car dream is catered to right here. If you love vehicles, this garage will leave you breathless. This red and sapphire blue mansion isn't just a home. It's a lifestyle of bold elegance and personalized luxury. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stunning properties.